So today we're going to be making a Norse, which, if you didn't know, is a horse with a really big nose. Cool, right? So I already have a pretty nice image up here of our potential Norse, but something's missing. The nose is too fucking small. So let's just canvas size. I don't know, fucking 12. Yeah. Alright. Now, we'll need to change the horse's trajectory because, I don't know if you know this, but, Norses are always at a slight angle because, you know, their fucking nose, it would go off screen. It would go off screen life, off screen of life, if, they weren't. So, let's just, fuck, no. No. That is the wrong button. We don't want to fucking oil paint, we want to liquefy. There we go. Let's bring this Norse to his true glory, why don't we? Let's expand. Okay. No. There we go. We'll just, this is a real slow process, Just, a lot of fidgeting and, there we go. It's just, they also have really big mouths so that they can support said nose. It's really just a magnificent beast of a creature. They're really endangered. Um, you know, Mostly because their noses are so big, like they have really bad allergies, like lethal allergies, and so all right, so that's probably good enough. Now what we're gonna do is fucking there we go. And he's a little rough around the edges, so we're going to let's just do that. Refine edge. Let's just why don't we do this? What, I'm fucking dumb. That's too big of a selection. God damn it. Fucking Carl. What the hell was wrong with you, Carl? Fucking. Alright, so we'll have to do very precise selection of this magnificent shnozz. And yeah, that should be good. I mean, whatever. If his head gets a little refined, whatever. Yeah, there we go. Let's smooth it a bit. Yeah, there we go. There we go. You don't want a jagged shnozz. You want a smooth shnozz. Let's just do that. And, yeah, we'll decontaminate the colors as well. There we go. Oh, there. Yeah, there. Oh, okay. I see the issue here. Why don't we just... This actually probably would have solved the problem originally, but you know what? We got it. Alright, and everybody, that was how you create a Norse. I hope this was a helpful tutorial and helps you see the magnificent beauty of these creatures, and how they contribute to society. They're wonderful. Fucking wonderful.